Hi guys, it's Moz here for Moz6510 Models, a channel dedicated to help you become a better scale modeler. Catalogue time, we have the Frog Model Kit Catalogue. This was around from 1970. It's a great little catalogue, this. Very, very old. If you can imagine Airfix of today, that was Frog back in the 70s. They were up and coming. Their models are still produced today. There's many companies that do the reboxing of Frog kits, mostly the Eastern European model kit providers. But yes, they have some incredible kits. And you probably have built one in some sort of different guise or different manufacturer. Anyways, as before, I do these page by page. So all you have to do is go to the cog settings, click playback speed, and you can slow it down. I recommend that you also click on the cog to change the format to the highest HD possible, because I do film these in HD 1080p, and hopefully click on full screen and you should be able to see the catalogue page by page. Anything takes your fancy, just press pause and then carry on the video after you've seen the page. Anyway, let's get to it. This is the Frog Model Kit catalogue from 1970. Enjoy. Hope you enjoyed that. There was some fantastic kits in here. All artwork, obviously. If you look inside the catalogue here, in here is the actual price list. The date of this is the 1st of March 1970, hence why I believe that this catalogue is 1970. It says here that, you know, 17.5p for the black series. You have red series, green series, orange series and yellow, and basically the color range was, but the pricing, there was a lot more going on in each kit. You can go in down there for the Messerschmitt BF 109F was 62.5p. You know, some of it was incredibly cheap, or maybe expensive, because as you know, money changes in value. They have the Bristol Blenheim decals there, and they also, you know, come with the finish markings from 1938, because they did have a few Blenheims in their squadrons. Yeah, it's really good. Painting guide, alternative parts of decals, helpful hints to beginners, how to put your Frog kit together. This was all in the box, remember? This is what you get inside the box. They did come with many movable parts. They were really good. And these trays are fantastic. I have a method that I'm going to show you how to create this sort of box tray, where you can just lift up the lid, but I'll show you that another time. And then you can also cut out and frame the pictures on the box. But yeah, it was really good. There's the black series. These were all bag kits, obviously. And in there would, you know, you'd open up the card and it will show you the instruction on how to build it. There you go. There's the red series, where it got a bit more detailed. Moving on through, there's the green series, you know, orange series. It was really good. It was really, really good. These ones come apparently with a picture frame display stand. So, you know, I don't see that anymore. And some of them did come with stands. You can put them in any position you like. It's a really good catalogue. I enjoyed it. It's 1970, printed in England, 1970, there in the bottom. So, there you go. There was the Frog model kit catalogue from 1970. Anyway, we do have a Scale Model Club on Facebook now. If you'd like to go and join that, I'll put a link in description down below. It's the Scale Model Club, Airfix, Tamiya, Revel, Hasegawa, in brackets basically. So it distinguishes from another Scale Model Club, which is a page, which is actually a group. So why don't you come and join? So if you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell to be notified on any new videos. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.